Next, we're going to do the spine, and we're going to begin by doing a thumb walking all the way up the spinal reflexes. So just a reminder, from the first joint of the thumb to the next joint is the cervical vertebrae. And then from that joint, we have 7 cervicals. And from that joint down to the bottom of the hand are the thoracic vertebrae. We have 12 thoracic vertebrae. Then we have the lumbar and the sacrum. I'm going to work the spine all the way down. Thumb walking up the spine from the sacrum, lumbar, thoracic, and cervicals, right up to the top. And then we're going to walk down as well. It's good to get it in more than one direction, using the fingers to support the walking. You can twist your wrist as you need to reach the bottom. You can also use a technique where you're pressing on each vertebrae all the way down. You can also use your fingers along the sides in a grip technique. Remember the grip technique? Good to use several different techniques. We'll do the other side, walking up, right up to the top, and then walking down, using your fingers on the other side for support and leverage. Press. You can also do kind of a hook back technique where you're pressing and pulling the hand towards you a little bit. Helps you to get in better. And using the fingers in the grip motion to get those points. The spine is the center of the body. And that's it for this session. See you in the next one.